What's up guys, welcome to today's session. Welcome to today's live stream. Trust you are doing good, trust you are doing well. Okay, things we are good. 3 minutes to go for our active trading time. Let's see what's popping up here. Alright. Quickly, let's dive into the chart. So basically this cell is something that I already enjoy, but I think there's still room for more cells, but let's take a look at it and see if we would be opportune for an opportunity for a trade setup. But since it's just left with 2 minutes, let me focus more on US30 and probably Nasdaq. Let's see how it goes. So earlier I was expecting a drop, so still expecting a break below this, you see. So price has retested the high here on Nasdaq and US30. Price has retested in half first, second, and this is a third time right here on the 1 hour time frame. So let's see the probability of price pushing higher or price pushing lower. And not today, I'm a bit less right here. So this is what it looks like on the 4 hour. So I think I'm gonna be a bit patient on this particular trade. Yeah. I want to see it break this structural low, then probably I'm going to be looking at for sell. Or better still, if you want to join this trade, because you still have room towards 44,356, you can have a buy stop right here. So that is also laudable because we can have a flip to push price higher. So either way, but personally, I'm just going to keep up my hands on this particular instrument at the moment, and let's see how it unfolds. We still have time, so I'm not just going to make hasty decisions at all. There is still time. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Alright, so Nasdaq is presenting a potential bullish right. So there is room to the upside. So I believe we should see price head back towards the high, if not the all-time, the immediate high, probably to this zone. So let me take a critical look at possibilities of this bullish push. Let's look at the possibilities. So yeah, so bullish market price hit that level, then targeting this price level. So let's see. Yeah. So we did see a rejection at this break of structure. So price is sitting at that point. Currently we are having sideways movement. So I'm expecting a breakout to the bullish direction here on Nasdaq. So for me, Nasdaq is bullish. So let's see. So I'm expecting to see a push to the upside. That's basically my projection on Nasdaq. So remember our stop loss is tight, so we are risking average of 80 pips right here on Nasdaq. So expecting buys on this particular trade. So though there is a possibility that we might see something of this sort, might see price tap into this and push higher. We might see price tap into this zone. So if you are joining this trade, make sure you are joining with a smaller risk. In case we have a break, then we'll be aiming for entry right at this point. So you don't get to lose much on it. So let's see how it goes. Let's see if Nasdaq will pay us today. Have our TP1. Then our overall TP. Alright. So gold looks interesting. Like I said earlier, there is a possibility for this range to be filled in gold. We have this range. So we might see the best continue. So if you still have room to risk, then this would be a good opportunity to risk some money in. So yeah, so let me give first TP here. This is our first TP. Then you can as well exit at this level if we have a quick drop. So these are the possibilities. Risking about 84 pips, this is much anyway. So currently in profit. Let's take a look at, don't worry, PN subscribing now, bro. Alright, so gold is golden, man. Currently just 18 pips in profit. first take profit is this. 47 pips. So let's see how it goes. So there has been a news release. Let's see if this helps. So currently 28 pips in profit. Yeah, today looks like it's gonna be a good day. Let's see. Let's hope. Nasdaq is still yet to make a move. Nasdaq is still yet to make a move. Still expecting gold to tap into this level. Still dancing around, man. Just 33 pips in profit. Nasdaq. Still dancing. Share this video. Share the stream. Let others join us. So we are in gold sell and Nasdaq buy. Those are the two trades we are currently in. So gold sell. This is our first take profit. And second ticket. Gold, because I've personally, as you can see right here, this particular trade was a done deal for me. So we even had another opportunity right at this point. So those the inner guys were able to capture this. So basically this is just where people kind of act to position. So judging from the data release, I expected at least some volume to uh, come into the market whereby at least push price to clear the money sitting at this level. So hence the reason for this particular sell. So let's see what happens if we are going to be able to at least hit our first target or not. So with the slow nature of price right now, what I'm just gonna do is adjust your SL. Adjust your SL. Let's stay on the high of the last candle. So basically that was the candle that kind of acted as, let's say, a bearish continuation candle. So that is a pin bar, right? So it could not break the high of the previous candle, broke the low and ended up closing uh, below the opening of the previous candle. So it signals some potential burst. So we are just counting on that price action to see if price would further drop at least 2 hours TP1. At least we can secure about 46 pips on this extra trade for me and the team. Nasdaq is still not doing quickly as expected, still dancing around. So that Nasdaq risking 83 points, going for 158 points. So let's see how everything unfolds. Today is Thursday, the 23rd of January 2025. Guys, let's make it count. Oh, what is gold not doing? We're trying to head back to our entry or possibly put us on in drawdown. And let's look at 30 minutes. Then price is reacting to this zone right there on the 30 minute time frame. So let's see if luck will be on our side this New York City. Currently down 7 pips. 2 pips. Guys, when this come back to break even, just shut it down. Yeah. When this trade comes back, if it comes back to break even, shut it down. I don't think it's going to alright, so I think at this point it's best to shut it down. Negative 20 pips. Let me just shut it down over here. Let's just focus our risk on Nasdaq and see how it unfolds. careful because of this zone right here. So still having the bearish bias, but I just want to be take some caution with this particular trade. Yeah. Let's see if price reacts at this point, then we can have a better entry. Let's see if we have a reaction at this zone. So basically, we want to see price react. So let's see if we can have something of such. So not. So let's see. Taking a small loss there. This is a trade we once saw 30 pips profit, but having looked at the 30 minutes time frame from this zone, it looks kind of looks like we might have some rejection before the further drop. So let's see. Let's stay on our Nasdaq, and Nasdaq will be more productive. So this is it. Let's pay attention to Nasdaq and see if it is gonna pay the bill. 5 minutes to go for this hourly candle to close. So let's see. Low, low, man, low, low. Let's see. Can we have a good low in New York, man? Expected there is all this red meat to bring in some volume, but it kind of looks like this meat doesn't give a hoot, or the market doesn't give a hoot about what the news did or not. So let's see price action wise. Price trading sideways. We had a rejection of this minor demand because we saw a rejection of price created a support, and that support has not been broken. We saw a new support form and price pushed right from that level. So basically, you had a higher low, and hence we did see a continuous pushing price. So for some reason, there is some sort of uh, bullish volume at this zone. So if we could see price uh, effortlessly drop to this zone without any barrier, then of course, with what we are seeing right now, there is a possibility that price could push higher. But on the other hand, like I said, when you look at the structure, it also has a bearish bias. Looking at the current time frame, the 15-minute time frame, kind of looks like you had a high, you had a low form, a lower high, a lower low, and probably prices looking forward to forming a lower high before dropping. Hence the reason I'm looking at this a bit of a zone that is more stronger than this, that we might have a, a sweep to the zone, then price will just spike. Nasdaq is known for this kind of behavior, so basically that wouldn't be a surprise for me. Hence the reason I said we are just keeping our Excel tight, but there is still much hope for the bull. So let's see what happens. We still have about a minute for this particular hourly candle to close, and let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Crazy, huh? Let me see what gold is doing. So you see, it's good that we exited off the sell. Like I said, this zone, I'm sensing a rejection at this zone for price to uh, retest this level before probably a sell. So you see, and with what is happening, we just have to sit on our hands and just observe market behavior. around this area or this zone, then of course, if need be, I will let us know if we should engage in the sell again. So for now, let's just keep our fingers crossed and just keep our eyes on um, Nasdaq to see what becomes of it. So this is the hourly time frame. Nice price action. So see on the hourly time frame is a nice structure right here. Price from that level after creating this support, we did see a nice push to the upside. So basically, we are counting on going to be leveraging on this zone to see if we can have equal price action today. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's go back to 30 minutes and just stay on the 30-minute time frame. Patience is required, guys. Patience is required. Gold has already been nice anyway. Imagine from this level, what a nice move. 162. That was nice. It already did about 100 pips. That is about 118 pips. Corrected. Man. Within the shortest possible time, gold has really done some crazy. So it's not a surprise that we are experiencing what is actually going on. And like I said, we are going to watch to see how price reacts here. If it breaks, then of course there is no need or there is no point looking at it. So we're just going to stay focused on our 9 chart. So let's see what happens in the next 25 minutes. Let's see what happens. Is Nasdaq gonna pay us or is gonna cost us? Let's see. Is price heading for a sweep? Let's see. Let's take a look at US30. On US30, like I said earlier, we have we have seen three touch around this same level. We had a first, second, and price is currently reacting. So this is a previous confluence level on the 4 hour. You can see that is the area with which we had a close and an open of the new forward candle. This is the confluence. Now, I'm not going to go into details as to how I came about that. This is also a support level right there. So this is the area I was looking at, right there zone. And price has been reacting at that area or that zone. So with the current price action, it's likely that we might see price drop. Like I said earlier, as you can see, I am currently voting or looking for the sell on US30 because of what price is doing within this area or within this price level. I analyze my case independently based on experience because sometimes when you want to do correlation, you might end up losing on both trades, and that is a higher risk on your account. So you learn to analyze independently because not all two pairs have the same level for which they are reacting unless occasionally those things happen. But for me, even though Nasdaq and indices, US30 and indices, sometimes their movement is different, so you just have to analyze it independently. So this is what I'm looking at on US30. I am expecting a sell. I'm expecting price to check out this level, then probably drop to the test, and overall target would be this level. That is my expectation on US30. Nasdaq is not doing well at the moment. We're still in drawdown on this guy. I was sleepy. Okay. So basically, as you can see, gold reacted at that level, then dropped. We are not in gold trade at the moment. We are looking at our Nasdaq to see if it's gonna go in our direction. We are trying to keep our risks in check and also try not to give back the money made today. Yeah, like I said earlier, gold has been a good boy today. We're able to capture this and this. So for the sake of this stream, we needed to look at a possible continuation, judging or expecting that we'll be having some volume from the data release. But so far so good, nothing so significant, nothing so significant. That's 21 pips from the top. They're on Nasdaq, guys. They're on Nasdaq. Yeah. So if you want to be a part of the the guys that sometimes enjoy like the goal sector I've stated, check the description box. You get the link to my free channel. From next week, I'll be dropping Signals Day on the free channel. So just go check it out, be a part of the community. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscribe button. It's free. It's free, guys. Remember, like I said, sometime we'll be having the subscribers only stream. So this is an opportunity for you to jumping into that bandwagon. Thank you guys as you hit the subscribe button. I hope today is not gonna be a long day for us here. Today is not gonna be a long day. You can drop your questions. If there's any concern, just drop in the comment section and let's address it. Let's address it. 13 minutes into the new 30-minute candle, still having about 7-10 minutes to go to see what becomes of this trade. Are we gonna take a loss, or are there possibilities for us to hit a win? Let's see. Yeah. Still patiently sitting on this trade. Patient. Lots of patience. it be too risky to short Nasdaq if it closes below 21,746? If the M30 closes, maybe, but for me, I wouldn't advise because that means it's closing within this zone. So if it's closing within the buy zone, one thing I know about Nasdaq or US30, it doesn't matter. It can have an heavy bearish close, then volume time it just spikes the opposite direction when it has reasons to do so. So it's not about how bearish it closes, but it's about you being a little bit patient to know that, yeah, the buys are invalid before you can engage in anything, sell. Yeah. So for me, I wouldn't advise. Yeah. Even though probably even though it has probability of playing out, but what I always look at is does it have the probability of making you consistently profitable? That is the question. It's not about a one-time win. It's not about, oh, today I got lucky. Because if you get lucky and you make a win, then that makes it very dangerous because it might kind of uh, take your mind off trying to understand, okay, was this the right thing to do or not? Then of course, maybe in the future you try it again and maybe this time around you're putting on a bigger risk and it hits on you and man, who knows if you'll be able to stand that a lot or not. So the same thing, it's just like what we had on gold. Look at what gold did. You see. So like I said, gold, I've noted this zone that price had dipped into. Hence the reason I said, okay, yeah, we were a bit sentimental. I was like, okay, trend continuation and volume should push price at least to like Q1. Remember, we're in profit. So when it just got close to the lower boundary of the zone, and what happened? It started returning. When it returned, I was like, okay, then let's wait to see if we're going to have break-even. We didn't have. I said, okay, let's just shut down the trade at negative 22. And of course, before I could say that, it dipped a little bit down. So personally, I closed mine at negative 11 pips, right? So which of course, I believe anyone that was in this trade wouldn't have lost a lot more than 15 pips on this trade. As against, if we are still in this trade, what will happen right now? You'll be losing 75 pips, which is way higher. Now I had to reevaluate, like, okay, we have a zone here. Let's see how price reacts to that zone. I was careful not to jump down to the 5 minutes and like, okay, this is a rejection, let's just sell. Right now we'll be panicking, right? So that is why when you observe a certain level or a certain zone with your system, be confident with what you are doing because in this game, few is better. It's not about in how many trades you are taking, it's in how many quality trades you take and knowing the reason why you are taking a loss. So if you take a loss, it's not the problem because of course you did not risk your entire account. So there's always room for you to come back, right? So then you have to importantly learn why did I take this loss? What did I do wrong? What could I have done right? Then from there you can progress because the essence of this stream is not to come out here to show, oh, I'm a very good trader. No, it's for us to see how I trade. At the same time, we learn together, right? Remember what happened in the last stream? I was looking out for buys on US30. We were in that trade for about an hour. It kept testing our patience. At the end of the day, we got out with just, I think, it was 30 pips. And this is a trade that should have given us potentially 170 pips or so. And what happened? Just the moment we exited, it just spiked up, right? So those are the situations you need to do what? You have to pay attention to it. You don't just jump into it and probably get fried and you're like, oh, blame yourself. No. So let's be cautious. Let's be a bit patient in the market and see what happens. So like I said, this particular trade, for me, I want to see the zone break. I want to see price break out the zone. So if maybe in the next couple of 9 minutes we still have this bearish uh, tone, right? So at that point, maybe it's either I'm going to shut down my buys or I'm just going to hold to my gun to see what the 230 candle does. If it takes me out, I'm cool, right? Then if it has some nice volume dropping, if that's the case, then I'm going to wait for it here for my last shot, right? So if I get in here, then I see what the price does. If it still takes me out, then I'm done on this particular trade because this is my first level and this is my second level. So if both levels are invalid, then of course, why should I keep betting myself? I gave my shot and the market told me, okay, today you are not right. And that's it. There is always going to be another day. You come back tomorrow with the same system. Of course, this should be a system that you have proven to see that yes, it's working out. Right. So you keep your head straight, keep your focus, and man, you're gonna see the difference. Right. So it's as simple as that. So 7 minutes to go. We're still on the 30 minutes time frame. Gold is really pushing bullish. You can see crazy right there. So it means that this level has held. So it's now in favor of the buy. So that is it. So we don't want to rush into stuff into actions that probably will cost us. So I know right now we're already in drawdown, 28 pips in drawdown. So which is already massive, but still far away from our overall stop loss. Our overall stop loss is 75 pips. So if you are risking one lot, depending on your broker, that's $75. So just look at your account size and know your risk. That's all. I think this Sunday I'll be doing a simulation session. So let's see if that session will come up and you should learn one or two things from that simulation session. What's gonna happen in 6 minutes? Are we gonna have price opening with a strong breakdown? Or we're gonna have price keep dancing? Or we're gonna have price open with a strong breakout to the upside? That is why we have to sit tight and enjoy the movie. So basically, we don't really have any news release that probably we might be scared of. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. entire range. Entire range. So you might have a breakout on US30. You might have a breakout. Like I said, you still have 44.35 levels to tap. So either way, let's see what happens. Low, no direction, low. Christian, Christian, Christian. Today's Thursday. If we don't have movement now, then there's a possibility we are going to be having movement by 6 p.m. So let's see. 2 minutes to go. Are we hitting our SL or we are going into profit? Oh, not looking too awesome. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Few seconds to go, and our fate will be decided. Just like who wants to be a millionaire. Okay. It's time. So what I mean, if I see it break this low, I'm gonna cross short my loss. If it breaks this low, I'm gonna cross short my loss. So let me just put an alert right there. So let's place. So if it breaks that previous low, then I'll be out. I will manage my risk at that point. If we are caught up in another slow day, can it just spare us? at a drama that happened when you are just seated watching. You just want to watch. You feel like using your finger to drag the candle in your direction. But sorry, my friends, you can't do that. The only option you had was to decide which direction to go. So basically, it's reacting to this injection right here. So you see this small bullish candle, the price is still reacting to that level or that rejection. Let's see. Patience. Patience to see how the trade turns out. Is it gonna be in your favor, in my favor, or we're gonna get our fingers burnt? Let's watch out. Movement of movement of gold is still crazily pushing. Crazy. As crazy as it can be. Alright, so let's just keep our eye on the trade we are currently in. Let's see if luck will be on our side. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, let me take some water, man. Kind of looks like there's some hope coming. So we need to see the 15-minute candle close, then probably we have some hope. Be back in a moment. some hope, guys. There should be some hope, man. There should be some hope here. So I'm just waiting to see how the 15 minutes candle closes. That should be our hope, man. Let me see. See. That's 100 pips. So let's see what happens, man. You have like 4 minutes before the 15 minute candle closes. On this block, you don't conclude until there is a close. So before there's a candle close. So let's see if our patience will pay, or if it's just gonna be one of those days where the market doesn't smile at us. Automatically, now that the market has at least tapped back our entry, I'm so anxious to see how this candle closes. Yeah. Because that would determine if I should just continue with my full risk on the treble or still look at to exit if price returns to 21,736. In 2 minutes, we will decide. Let's stay on the 30 minutes so that we don't get too anxious. Yeah, Divan, are you in the trade? Are you with us on this buy? Are you with us? Next, bro. Next data. Let's see what happens. Alright, so in 1 minute, the candle is closing. Joachim, are you on this trade? Who is on the trade? Who is with me on this trade? Okay, so I think the new 15-minute candle is just about popping up. The new 15-minute candle up. So this is how the 15-minute candle closed. Definitely with this closure, you should expect a little bit sharp, maybe a retest, then before price pushes higher. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. At least with this closure, it gives us a little bit of confidence. It's just a little bit. But let's see. So at this point, because of this rejection, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce my risk. So I'm going to bring down my risk, to this point. Reason being that after the rejection we just had, if price takes out the low of the current candle, it means that this bullish candle or this bullish close was just a trap. That's actually what it means for me. So in that case, there is no reason for me to still stay in the trade if price breaks the low of this candle. So if we reject from a support and price now comes to invalidate it, it doesn't matter if it breaks and finally goes bullish. It's none of my business. It doesn't matter. But as long as we have this healthy buy candle and price comes back to take it low, I'm done. I'm out. So let's see. So here's the reason I've adjusted my SL. So from 75 pips now we are total 64 pips. So we are short of 11 pips now. So let's see what becomes of this trade. Currently my entry, I'm still up 7 pips. Yeah. Let's see. Ah, it when it is sitting in front of the chart. Watching trade. So 10 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. If it closes this way, then good news, then we should see a strong push in the bullish direction. So let's see. Overall, still looks good. Let's see all things being equal. looks like it's gonna be a long afternoon here, but we're still being patient. Man, it's better you grab your bottle of wine or your chilled juice because it looks like it's gonna be a long afternoon over here. This trade is really testing my patience. Seven minutes for the candles to close. Wow. I think in 5 minutes time, if this spread doesn't move as expected, like I said, let's see how it closes anyway. Because for me, I'm not gonna jump out of the trade. I'm not gonna jump out of the trade. As long as it closes bullish, then it, it means that there is still hope for the buy. So even if I end the stream, I'm still gonna hold at least to this point. But let's see. This is what happened. This is why it's called forex. See? In the moment you're in profit, just about 4 minutes for the candle to close, and this is happening. You can't tell, maybe at the end of the day it's gonna close bearish. Things happen even in 1 minute. So the best you can add to your arsenal is patience. Look at that. From the look of things, it's not getting nice at all. Doesn't look nice. Let me see what US30 is doing. Wow. This business sometimes can be crazy. Look at US30. I made mention of a breakout. US30 is rather cooperating, man. The Nasdaq is really testing a ball. Look at that. Clean 73 pips. Man. Alright, all hope is not lost. We're still in it. Still being present. We had adjusted our SL. So let's see. This happens sometimes, man. I'm running out of time. Alright, so if this goes against us, I think that's where we're going to end for today. Yeah. Gold didn't do anything nice, so just keeping our focus on the US, the Nasdaq. New candle open. Alright, so I'm just gonna stay for this 15 minutes candle to close. After that, whatever happens, I'm gonna end this stream. If it closes bullish, then I'm still gonna end the stream and monitor the trade behind. If it takes us out, so be it. So we're just giving ourselves the next 15 minutes candle to see what happens. So either way, my risk has been already defined, so I'm not gonna chicken out of this trade. I'm still holding to my guns. If you want, at this point, you might decide to liquidate all position if it goes in our direction, or hold all the way to this high. So whatever happens, those are the directions, so that if it ends up closing bullish and we end the stream, you can equally manage your trade on your own. Looks like it's gonna take us out because the look of things, the best is just trying to take over. Serious crazy range. Serious crazy range. Nah. Let's just see how it ends, man. Let's see how it ends. Oh, that thing is gonna end well, bro. After all the patience, man. After all the patience, bro. The last 30 minutes candle closed indecisive. You can see the bullish candle, but it left width to the top, also width to the downside. It kind of looks like the 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 the, the level which the market breaks is gonna be the direction. Sometimes this is what happens when you find a candle like this. Um, all right. So what I would say is that if you can accept risk, then if you are no more comfortable in this trade, you can close. For me, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. I'm okay with my stop loss, 64 pips. So if it takes me out, so be it. And I'll be done for the day. So be it. Oh, it's heading to our SL. Wow. If if this trade ends up bullish, man, that would be magical, bro. That's it. Yes, it is. It has so tested our patience, so tested our patience, and it is really, really testing our patience so hard. Man, staying longer than expected, longer than anticipated, bro. In just 5 minutes into the candle, and this is happening. basically this is reason it's a mixed market as you can see. So can believe I'm still in the trade. We're almost, it's a mixed market, so hence the reason we are stopped. If you're gonna take us out, just take us out. Take me out and let me rest go. Stop playing with my emotions, bro. Whoa, what is this guy trying to do? I think this is one of my longest trades for this year. Would I say one of my longest live trades? Like a trade I have to sit down and just watch. This is what so far for this year. I've had a trade that took time, of course. When you know your system and you just place your stop loss and probably your target and close the chart, it's way easier because you've already accepted whatever is going to come. Either it's going to be your SL or probably your stop loss, or maybe you set some alert so that if price gets to a certain level, you can come to manage your trade. That is way easier as against you just want to, you are picking a trade and you just want to manage it live by watching to see, okay, this is what it's doing, then you get to manage it. This is it. I wish we had gone in for the US30 and it wouldn't have been as tense as it is because, man, we would be in profit and we would be cruising. Alright, so 7 minutes to go for the 15-minute candle. Alright, so I think I'm just going to take a break and return in the next 6 minutes. Whatever happens, and that's when we're going to conclude. If we are still having the trade running, we manage it behind the scenes. So let's see what happens. Sit tight, guys. Sit tight. Alright, so I'm back. We have 2 minutes to go for the 15 minutes candle to close. So let's see what's gonna happen. It's been a crazy one, guys. Crazy, crazy. Been crazy again. So 1 minute to go and I'm gonna end this stream. And as like I said, I'm sticking to my guns, still holding my trade. We wouldn't be this patient just sitting out at this point. It's either it takes us out with our SLs, 64 PPSLs, or we make some good money from this trade. So still staying tight, staying tight on this particular trade, man. We need 15 minutes candle opens, and that is about it, guys. So I wish you all the best on this trade. We'll be back tomorrow to see to give an update on whatever happened. So make sure you manage your trade accordingly. When it gets to profit, if it does, manage it accordingly. If it gets to your SL, check it and know some days are like that. You come back tomorrow stronger and better. Until tomorrow, I remain Mr. Wex, and the main business of the day is always to remember to stay profitable. It's your game profit.